The second financing option I want to go over is FHA financing. In 2007, when we went through a mortgage meltdown, basically of all the financial institutions going through a complete revisement of the way mortgages were constructed, we lost that secondary financing piece, that 100% financing, nothing down. You basically had to have a heartbeat in order to qualify for a loan. And there's a good reason why that changed, and it's beneficial for everybody. But when we lost those secondary market lenders who were picking up the second portion of a purchase to make that 100% factor, they left, and FHA then became the new alternative, because it will go up to 6.5%. So 3.5% into a transaction replaced the need for a second loan. FHA in San Diego County will still go to $697,750. That's a pretty broad-based number. You can buy quite a lot in this county right now for nearly $700,000 with still a 3.5% down factor. With FHA, there has been some change in the upfront funding fee, which is like having prepaid mortgage insurance on the front end. It is financed into the loan, which means it's tacked on to the balance of the loan after you've brought in your 3.5% down. It's currently sitting at 1%. It is slated to increase in April. And in addition to FHA versus the VA alternative, there is monthly mortgage insurance. The monthly mortgage insurance did take a hop in October. It's currently sitting at 0.90% factor, which means it's a pretty good monthly mortgage insurance payment. So VA doesn't have one, FHA does have one. But you're getting in with a minimum down payment in the program. FHA is priced very competitively, the same way as VA is. It's actually priced better than conventional financing. The most lenders these days will go to a 640 FICO credit score. However, we work with lenders that will do under a 580 under certain circumstances for a borrower. So there is a lot of flexibility involved in this particular type of loan program. Your 3.5% down, many cases, can be a gift from another family member. There are down payment assistance programs throughout the state and throughout the local agencies, local government, that support people based on income qualifications, not credit score, that qualify for down payment assistance. Oftentimes, borrowers can get in with less than 1% of their own funds and be able to transact in an FHA loan. This has opened up a huge opportunity for home buyers. As we all know, it is better to own than it is to rent, and currently with rents going up, home buying is the cheapest way to go. So with these possibilities of being able to get in with financed programs like down payment assistance, closing cost assistance, grants, and gifts, it enables a lot more people to be able to buy and have that position of home ownership versus renting. Now with FHA, the FICO score requirements are more so than a VA program, but they're still lenient. That is the only product that currently allows somebody with a previous short sale that had delinquencies during that short sale transaction process to be able to finance. If there were no delinquencies, someone is capable of financing a home immediately following the close of escrow as long as their credit scores have remained in decent shape. If somebody has had any level of delinquencies during the transaction of their short sale, FHA does have what is called an extenuating circumstance clause. If it was caused by something out of the borrower's control, death in the family of the primary wage earner, serious illness, these things can be evaluated on a case-by-case basis, and oftentimes borrowers can qualify with the right lender under those particular circumstances. So FHA still allows us to have quite a realm of ability to be able to place somebody into a program for a purchase. The rates, again, are very competitive, and if somebody has had a bankruptcy, they only have to wait for 2 years on this. If somebody did have a delinquency short sale transaction and they did not qualify for an extenuating circumstance, they wait 3 years and FHA will finance them again up to 96.5%.